Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I was out in my garden to harvest some radish and I noticed it has already started flowering. It has a lot of healthy green leaves. These radish leaves are very much edible and have many health benefits, from treating diabetes to jaundice. These leaves have many essential vitamins and minerals like iron, phosphorus, folic acid, calcium, and vitamin C. They not only act as a detoxifying agent but also helps in digestive process. And the high iron and phosphorus content of these leaves increases immunity and reduces fatigue. There are many ways to add these green leaves to your diet, like making pesto or swap for lettuce in your sandwiches. But the one I like is to saute it with some spices. Let me show you how I do it. So this is the first radish coming out. So this is what I have got today, a lot of leaves and some radish in it, and they do have some flower buds on the top. First I'm gonna wash them thoroughly in water and then chop them into small pieces. Here I have 2 tablespoons of oil in my pan, to which I will add 1 tablespoon of cumin, and once the cumin has roasted, I'll add the leaves, the radish leaves, and I have also added some radish cut into small pieces. Now I will let the moisture in the leaves evaporate, and do not add water at all to these because it will make the taste bitter. Now it's time to add some spices. So I will add some salt, and while adding salt, you should keep in mind that the volume of these leaves will be reduced to around 1/4. So accordingly you should add the salt, and then some red chili powder, some turmeric powder, around 1/4 teaspoon. Now mix them all together and saute on medium flame till all the moisture is gone. And now when it's all cooked, I have added some garam masala, which is a blend of some spices. Please let me know in the comments below if you like this recipe, and I will be back with another video pretty soon.